In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Calendar to Year View on your computer and how to move between different years quickly and easily. If you use Google Calendar for planning, scheduling, or keeping track of important dates, Year View can give you a much clearer big picture look at everything happening across the calendar year. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Google Calendar tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com in your browser and signing in with the Google account that has your calendar saved. Once Google Calendar loads, you'll be on the main calendar screen. Now look toward the top right of the page and find the View Selector. This is the menu that lets you switch between different calendar layouts like day, week, month, schedule, and year. Click on that View Selector to open the options. From the list, select Year. As soon as you choose it, Google Calendar will switch into a full year view, so you can see the entire year laid out in one place. This is especially helpful if you want to plan vacations, school dates, work deadlines, holidays, or long-term goals. Once you're in Year View, you'll notice arrows next to the year at the top. These arrows let you move between years without having to scroll endlessly. Click the left arrow to go to the previous year, or click the right arrow to move to the next year. It's a simple way to jump backward or forward and review events from different years. If you want to focus on a specific time period, this view makes it much easier to compare dates at a glance. And if you ever want to switch back to another layout, just open the same View Selector again and pick the view you prefer. So that's how to change Google Calendar to Year View and navigate between years on your computer. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.